Hello children, yesterday I had given 7 questions from chapter 4, The Enemy of Stars. And today I give answers of the given questions. The first question was, why was Dr. Sadao not sent to the battlefield? The answer is Dr. Sadao was not sent to the battlefield because he was a renowned and skilled surgeon. Also, at that time, he was perfecting a discovery which would keep the wounds entirely clean. Moreover, the general did not trust any other doctor as he would need an operation soon and felt only Dr. Sadao was competent and trustworthy enough to handle his treatment. Question number 2. Why did the messenger come to Dr. Sadao and what did Hana think about it? And the answer is the messenger had come to tell Dr. Sadao that the general was again in pain, clear, and he required medical attention right now. General was asking for him to inquire, and she was terrified on seeing the messenger, as she thought the servants had complained to the authorities clear about the American prisoner whom they were looking after. She thought the messenger had come to arrest Sadao and her. Now, question number 3. How did Dr. Sadao plan the American prisoner's escape? And the answer will be Dr. Sadao secretly brought food, water, and quilt from the Mansa. He tried his boat to a post as the tide was high and worked in the dark. He gave the man his flashlight, some Japanese clothes, and a black cloth to hide his bald hair. Clear? That night, the American prisoner left for the nearly island Sadao had told him about and escaped to safety. Question number 4. How did Dr. Sadao perform his duty as a patriotic Japanese? And the answer is Sadao fulfilled his duty as a patriot by performing the general about the enemy and acceding to his plan. But general did not keep his promise of sending the assassins. So, because of general's carelessness, the enemy escaped. Now, 2 long answer type questions. Question number 1. Describe the difficulties faced by Dr. Sadao when he decided to help the enemy soldier. Answer is Dr. Sadao was confused about what to do with the enemy soldier. He was surprised that he had survived the operation and did not know whether he should shelter the man or hand him over to the police. The servants thought he had stayed in America too long and had forgotten that he was Japanese. They all left his home and he and Hana looked after the prisoner, their children, and their home themselves. Hana was afraid that the servants would complain to the authorities and Sadao would be arrested and get into trouble. The general, who had offered to send his private assassins to get rid of the prisoner, had all forgotten about the man. Thus, Sadao decided to help the soldier escape to safety. Question number 2. Explain the reaction of the servants in Sadao's house when he decided to give shelter to an enemy in the house. Or, the servants of Sadao and Hana reflect a particular mindset of the general public in society towards thinking and broad-minded human beings. Elaborate with the help of the story, The Enemy. And the answer is, the first reaction of the servants was that they thought the master should not heal the wounds of the man who ought to die. They were suspicious and said that she would take revenge on the master as he was healing what it had cut and wounded on the rocks. Yumi, the maid, refused to wash the white man. The servants also felt that the couple had stayed in America for so long that they had forgotten to think of their own country first and thought like Americans. The wounded, why they did not just let the man bleed to death? The cook commented disdainfully about Dr. Sadao being too proud on his skills of saving a life and how he saved any life without thinking about what he was doing. Yumi was afraid the children would suffer because of the action of their parents. On the seventh day, the servant left Dr. Sadao's house. So these were the answers of the given questions. Thank you.